Hello students, in this video lesson we will study redox and changes in oxidation states. What does oxidation state mean? Oxidation state tells you how many electrons each atom of an element has gained, lost or shared in forming a compound. So we can say oxidation state is a charge on an atom in combined state. Oxidation states can help you to identify redox reactions. See, in this picture, this is element sodium and its oxidation state is 0. The rules for oxidation state. Each atom in a formula has an oxidation state. Suppose we have to find out the oxidation state of this magnesium. So it will be different, and the oxidation state of chlorine will be different. So oxidation state of magnesium will be +2 and oxidation state of chlorine will be -1, but in this case it will be -2. Let's see the second rule. The oxidation state is usually given as a Roman numeral, and the Roman numerals are 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will be like this, in this form. Where an element is not combined with other elements, its oxidation state will be 0. Suppose we have to find out the oxidation state of sodium, it will be 0. We have to find out the oxidation state of single potassium, it will be 0. And the oxidation state of, suppose we have to find out the oxidation state of this magnesium chloride, so it will be 0. We will see it in next slide. Many elements have the same oxidation state in most or all their compounds. Many elements have the same oxidation state in most or all their compounds, such as hydrogen has the oxidation state +1, sodium and other group 1 metals, sodium and all group 1 metals, all group 1 metals has oxidation state +1. Calcium and the other group 2 metals, calcium and other group 2 metals has oxidation state +2. Aluminium has oxidation state +3. Chlorine and all halogens or group 7 non-metals, group 7 non-metals has oxidation states -1. Oxygen except in peroxides, oxygen except in peroxides has oxidation state -2. But atoms of transition elements can have variable oxidation states. Their oxidation states can vary in their compounds. So, for these elements, the oxidation state is included in the compound's name. For example, iron 3 chloride and copper 2 oxide. So, here in the case of iron 3 chloride and copper 2 oxide, the oxidation state, in this case oxidation state is 3, and here the oxidation state in copper 2 oxide will be 2. See, the oxidation state of iron will be, it may be +2 and +3, and the oxidation state of copper may be +1 and +2. Oxidation state of manganese will be +2, +4 and +7, and oxidation state of chromium may be +3 and +6. In any formula, the oxidation states must add up to 0. See, this is the example of magnesium chloride. Here the oxidation state of magnesium is +2 and oxidation state of chlorine will be